Concept 5, reading and interpreting circle graphs. So circle graphs are also known as pie charts, and the real different thing about them is that we're looking at a way to represent a whole. Okay, so a whole group of things, we're looking at the percentages that they take up of the whole. Okay, so if you ever see a circle graph or a pie chart that is not percentages, you have to be pretty careful because it could be a graph that is not very accurate or displaying data in a way that's easy to misunderstand. Okay, pie charts should pretty much always be percentages, or they could be values of a whole, right? And we'll get to that in a second. So the types of questions you'll get for these ones, some of them are pretty basic. Which vegetable is used the least? Well, we find the smallest piece of the pie, 10%. Light blue would be potatoes. Okay, potatoes apparently are used the least. And then which two vegetables are the most popular? Find the biggest slices of the pie. We got dark blue, 30%, and then purple with 25%, so it'd be carrots and squash would be the most popular vegetables. All right. So now this is a question that's a little bit harder. So I have my percentages, and this question is saying if all of these people who reported what pet they have, there were 200 of them, how many people have hamsters? Okay. Basically what you're doing is you're just saying, okay, well, if 15% of the people have hamsters and there were 200 people, 15% of 200 is 30. Okay. Sometimes you'll be given it the other way. So if I said, this is my pie chart, and 10 people, I'll make it a little harder, 30 people have rabbits. Okay, how many total people were in the survey? Well, if 10% of the whole equals 30, then 100% of the whole should equal 100. Okay, so you might be asked to go back and forth between percentages and actual numbers. Okay, and then the last question, not that difficult. Which two types of pets are the least popular? Well, birds and rabbits. Okay, that's it.